And we are going to Vegas. We're gonna try out her car and see how it responds. I'm a truck person. I fill my car with gas. She puts electricity in hers, so let's drive hers.
Las Vegas, Nevada is a city built on cold hard cash.
So here we are. We're gonna stop for the first charge. How long did we drive?
Just under 2 hours.
Here we are. We're gonna get some candy because I love candy.
Nah, I can't. I'm going to Vegas with my baby.
Huh? Babe, what you get?
I got some pretty damn cool lunch boxes.
Here we are, waiting for the car to finish charging. It does take a little bit, however, way cheaper than petroleum. Well, the car is charged and off we go! So we made it, and now we charge it because that's the first thing you do to arrive. And we made it. So this is the room.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Have to go eat something. We're hungry.
Yeah. Of course I'm good. What's up? Nah, I can't. I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas with my baby.
Here we are, gambling. So we're back in the room, we are up, and we had some drinks and we had some food, so far so good. Night one, off we go to have some fun. Vegas! We're still winning. We're still winning. Which is hard to say in this town, trust me. And here we are, guys, celebrating ourselves.
Would, but some nights they have a second line playing there.
We're about to get some Chinese food. I'm a little faded.
Pork fried rice, spring rolls. And you want to do barbecue pork bun?
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna bet on the horses. We're gonna bet on the horses. Seguimos ganando.
I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas.
I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas.
It is morning number 2. We're still winning. We're having a great time. So here we go. Second day of adventure. Okay, so we just had breakfast at Bouchon.
Bouchon.
Bouchon. I can't speak French.
Neither can I.
Oh my god. Biscuits and gravy. Biscuits and gravy.
And croissant.
Yes. Oh, so delicious.
Of course I'm good. What's up? Nah, I can't. I'm going to Vegas with my baby. Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas.
I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to Vegas with my baby.
So you guys, I have never had White Castle burger other than the frozen one, so I'm about to try it.
I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas.
I'm going to Vegas with my baby.
To be in Vegas for 2 nights and still be breaking even is considered winning. Dude, behold the best hummus ever. Like ever. Better than that, better than anything. This place, dude, hummus at a whole other level. Last morning in Vegas, we're tired, had a lot of fun, but we miss the puppy. We have to go home.
I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas.
I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to Vegas with my baby. I'm going to Vegas.
And here we are on our way home, charging. On the way, we are in Victorville, and we are about to charge.